Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday about dev career, not directly about Laravel. This time I parked at a pretty busy road, so I'm sorry if there are any background noises from the cars that are passing by. Topic of today is promotion. So skills can get you hired, but what could get you promoted? How can you get a better position at the same company or better projects or something like that? Because you get hired by your CV, for example, technical interview, something like testing, task or something like that. So it's all about mostly hard skills, so-called hard skills. So your skill at IT, programming language, framework and stuff like that. But actually, to get you promoted, you need to get better at so-called soft skills. What do I mean by that? It's about communication first. So people promote you, managers would promote you if they like you. If they like working with you, if you show some leadership skills, if you show some skills to get higher level. And this is not so much and not only about programming skills. So the better you communicate, the better team player you are, the more responsible, reliable and stuff like that. So basically, if you look at your CV and there are usually those extra stuff like reliable, responsible, team player, good at communication and stuff like that. So those seemingly unimportant stuff on your CV, those become important if you really understand their meaning when you are at a job. So how well do you get along with the team? How good are you at solving conflicts and not from technical side? For example, talking to customer support and communicating if there is an issue. It also means written communication, especially these days when everything is remote. All the jobs positions are remote mostly. If you are not that good at communicating and expressing yourself in written words by email or Trello or whatever project management software, or chat or Slack or whatever, you need to be able to express yourself. I'm not saying that you have to be a writer or something, but you need to be clear, to express yourself clearly so other teammates would use that information effectively. And also you shouldn't offend anyone online in your team group chat or something. Basically, you need to be liked, not just evaluated by your technical skills anymore. So I like the quote that I've seen somewhere online. I don't even remember where exactly, but I liked it. So this video is about that. So hard skills can get you hired, but soft skills is what gets you promoted. What do you think about this thought? Do you agree or disagree? Shoot in the comments below. And see you guys in other videos.